Digital money tools. Part 5. Tool number 4. Digit, hands-free AI saving. Explained, why saving is hard even for smart people. Saving money sounds simple. Earn, spend less, save the rest. Yet millions of intelligent, hard-working people fail to save consistently. Not because they are careless, but because saving requires constant discipline. And discipline gets tired. Digit was built for this exact human weakness. What is Digit? Digit is an AI-powered savings app designed to save money for you, not with you. It doesn't ask, greater than, how much do you want to save? It observes. Digit studies your income, your spending, your bills, your habits. Then it moves small, safe amounts into savings automatically. No stress, no decisions. The core idea: save without thinking. Traditional saving relies on motivation. Digit relies on automation. Instead of hoping you'll save later, Digit saves first, intelligently. The amounts are small enough to avoid pain, but consistent enough to create growth. This is behavioral finance in action. How Digit's AI works. Simple explanation. Digit's AI looks for patterns. It asks, when do you usually get paid? When do bills hit? How much buffer do you keep? Then it chooses moments when money is least likely to be needed. It never takes too much. It adjusts continuously. Think of it as a silent financial assistant. Saving vs. willpower. Important concept. Willpower is limited. Automation is unlimited. Digit removes willpower from saving. You don't argue with yourself. You don't postpone. Saving becomes background behavior, like breathing. Willpower is limited. Automation is unlimited. Digit removes willpower from saving. You don't argue with yourself. You don't postpone. Saving becomes background behavior, like breathing. Real-life scenario, story. Meet Emma. Emma tried saving many times. Every month, something came up. Savings were used. Motivation faded after using Digit. Money saved quietly. No guilt, no resistance. 6 months later, she had savings for the first time. Common fears and misunderstandings. People worry. What if it takes too much? What if I need the money? Digit allows instant transfers back, spending protection, adjustable limits. You stay in control. Security and trust. Digit uses bank-level encryption, secure data access, read-only account monitoring. It does not spend your money. It only saves it. Who should use Digit? Digit is perfect for people who fail at saving, busy professionals, impulse spenders, beginners. Not ideal if you prefer manual saving. You want precise control. Digit is about effortless consistency. Digit vs. traditional savings. Banks wait for you to act. Digit acts for you. Banks rely on discipline. Digit relies on data. That's the difference.